Today we're starting with a boneless pork loin that I picked up from a major grocery store. It is a 8.5 pound loin, cost me about $15–16. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to utilize this pork loin here. Quick and easy meals that you can make at the house. We're going to be going through a marinated cutlet. Let's do it. All right, we're back and we are going to get the balsamic vinaigrette ready for the marinade of the pork loin cutlets. So what we're going to do is start with a blended olive oil. That's going to be about 2/3 of a cup. And the balsamic is going to be about 1/3 of a cup. All right. Now we have a couple of my favorite spices here. We have garlic powder, crushed red pepper, and whole fennel seeds. So the fennel seed, I'm going to have a mortar and pestle here. We're going to put about half of a teaspoon to start off with. Pop that in there. And I always like to grind whole spices so that it keeps the flavors fresh, much fresher for a lot longer. You don't have to absolutely pulverize it, just enough to get that coarse powder there. Put that in there. I like a lot of fennel, so people that like fennel, you can put a half teaspoon. If you like less or nothing at all, then you don't need to put anything. I'm going to put a half teaspoon of garlic powder as well. There you go. And then I will put a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flake. Believe it or not, this is actually going to give a nice little kick. I usually like black pepper, but this red chili flake is going to be just one step above in the heat. So, and it cooks very well sauteing, so we're going to go with that. We're going to do a 1 teaspoon of salt. We have about a tablespoon here of dark brown sugar. I'm going to mix this up. You see, thick enough to where it sticks together, but you don't want to whip too much air into it. Okay, then you're going to taste it. Oh yeah, perfect. Now we are ready to actually cut the pork cutlets. Now that we have the center cut pork loin here, we have a nice sharp knife, and we have the marinade ready. All right, so let's get to it. So the way that I cut them is I grab the loin with my fingers, and you want these knuckles right here farther out so that you can get a nice straight cut. And what you're doing is actually holding the pork loin so that it doesn't warp or go one direction as you're cutting like this, all right? And you want to make nice long strokes, and you're making this motion here, all right? To get a nice pork cutlet. Now we are ready to marinate the pork cutlets here. We have the marinade ready that we made earlier. The thing is, you want to marinate your meat before you start other prep. So this is usually something that I would do in the first place. You want about minimum 20 minutes of marination time at room temperature. That is if you were cooking that night. You can go up to 24 hours, but again, you want to put it in the refrigerator after that. Anyway, so let's just get to it. We have the marinade ready. It's still nice and homogenized. It is breaking just a little bit, but that's totally fine. All you got to do is just mix it up again. All right. And you take each cutlet and you just dump it right in there. Another one. All right, now you can see that the pork cutlets are nice and submerged. Now you're going to want to let that chill. All right, guys, we are back with the marinated pork chops. It's been 20 minutes now. I've taken it out of the balsamic marinade. So you can already tell the color of the pork chop has changed pretty dramatically. That marinade has really penetrated the meat. and I can already smell the fragrance and the aromatics coming off of it. I have a non-stick pan here with a little bit of blended oil. This is just getting hot. We're gonna pan sear these up. As the pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add our cutlets in. Now you really don't need much time for these guys because of how thin they are. The good thing is there is sugar in that marinade, and it is going to caramelize up. So you want to allow that to actually happen. So you want enough time on each side for that to actually happen. I do have it on medium heat, but I allowed the heat to come up on that pan to be pretty high. So you're going to give it about 2 minutes on the first side. Now it's been about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on the first side, and now we're going to flip them. All right, we are done with the balsamic marinated pork cutlets. Oh man, look at the caramelization on this. The balsamic and the brown sugar really caramelized up. It is super, super flavorful. And the aroma is just incredible. All right, we're gonna cut into these bad boys right now. That is just a flavor explosion. You can really tell the acid from the vinegar, the fattiness from the pork, the balsamic, all the spices. Is just an absolute flavor explosion in your mouth. It tastes so, so good. All right, guys, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to the video, like it, and tell me what you think. Comment below.